Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drops in Euro Truck Simulator 2. And this is going to be a full fixing guide. First things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that you beat the minimum system requirements. Because if you don't, of course your FPS will drop significantly if your PC cannot handle the game. Now this is the minimum requirements. i5 processor, 8GB RAM, preferably a video card with at least 2GB VRAM and dedicated video RAM as well, and at least a Windows 7. But this is what is recommended, but it would be nice to have at least this. How do you check if your PC meets this? Right click on your start button right here, go ahead and click on system. Okay, now just wait for this to open up and I'll show you what exactly to look for. So once this opens up, you just scroll down, okay, and you'll be able to see right here how much RAM you have in your PC, what processor you have. I currently don't have a graphics card, so that is not available to be seen. What you can do, guys, if you want to increase your VRAM, you just right click on your start button, click on run, okay. Now you want to type in sysdm.cpl. Go ahead and press OK. And what we're basically going to be doing is we're going to be increasing our virtual RAM. Now come here, click on advanced, click on settings here under performance, come to advanced, click on change under virtual memory. You want to have a minimum virtual memory of at least 1.5 times your installed RAM and maximum of up to 3 times your installed RAM. So if you had a 2GB RAM PC, let's make it 4GB. If you had a 4GB RAM PC, minimum you should have here is 6GB and a maximum at least about 12GB VRAM, okay? Virtual memory. I can close this up. Next thing what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to open up our task manager. Right click, click on task manager, and what you're going to do is you want to close any unnecessary apps, any processes that you're not currently using. Go ahead and close them. For example, if you want to close any app right here, so if I click on task manager, all you need to do is come here and click on end task. You want to look for softwares or applications that are taking a lot of your CPU and a lot of your memory. So for example, I want to close this one, task manager. Just come here and click on end task. And there you go, it ends that. And now what you can also do is update your graphics driver. So right click on the start menu, and then you want to open up the quick access menu and click on the device manager from this list. Come and click on this option right here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going into our display adapters category, and we're going to be finding our, okay, right here, click on this, find your graphics card, right click on that dedicated graphics card, click on update driver. And then you just want to choose search automatically for drivers. And if you find any update available, it'll automatically download and install the latest version. And once done, you can reboot your PC to effect the changes. And last but not least, guys, what you can do is, of course, you can always run the game as an administrator. So make sure you run Steam as well as an administrator. Just right click, okay, and then do this. Click on run as administrator and then run Steam. And if also that it does not fix the issue, what you can do, guys, is you can go ahead and verify the integrity of your game files, okay? For example, let me go to Steam. Let's find a game. Let's do this game. Right click on the game, click on properties. Then you want to scroll down here and go. Okay, this one was uninstalled, so this will not work for this one. I'll right click on this, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. What this does basically is it makes sure that all the files for this game are correctly installed, they're all intact, there's nothing missing, there's nothing corrupted. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you guys in